knew it was full. All right, y'all. Well, I just did a bunch of riding, and I didn't record nothing because, well, SD card was full. So, note to self: clear the dang SD. Also, here's a little hack that I tried to do. So my bar end mirrors, as you can see, I've put back on. I originally got rid of them because I was like, you know, I could see better out of the factory mirrors. Well, I just hated the look of the factory mirrors too much. So anyway, I hated the look of the factory mirrors too much. The mirrors on, thinking, oh, that'll give me the line. It's just not working out as well as I wanted to. So I'll ditch the fish eye mirrors. Oh, it's the canoe brigade. I don't need to be cutting guys off at the turn. That's too sketchy. I'm not in that much of a hurry. Anyway, yeah, these little fisheye mirrors, the idea was there. I think it was a good idea, but it's just not working out the way that I wanted it to. It's almost more distracting. I need to just have the regular mirror. Oh man, West Coast Durango. Sounds beautiful.
Thanks, man.
God damn.
It's a whole ball game, bro, for sure.
Oh, I bet. That is gorgeous.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it, man.
You have a great day.
You too, man. Take it easy.